Hi. So to finish up with decimal place value, we're going to do a Google slide. So this will be the assignment you'll see in Canvas, and you click the blue link just like always. I'm going to move myself. Okay, so what you have here are 15 numbers that you have to figure out what the place value is. So you're going to figure out what the underlying digit in each of these numbers are. You're going to write them, whatever the value is, and type it in there. Then after you're done, you're going to be able to come here and figure out a special message based on the place value. Okay, so we're going to do a few together, and then I'm going to erase it, and then you'll just have to fix it when you open up your assignment. All right, so I've got my first number right here, 7,896,123 and 5/10. Okay, so let's say that again, 7,896,123 and 5/10. So what is my 7 digit right there? What is that? What place value is there? Okay, I've got my hundreds right here, my thousands right here. So this would be million. So you're going to type in million, okay? And then you're done with that one. So looking at this number right here, 36,282 and 563 thousandths. Because remember, this is what we talked about. We look at that decimal and use our trick of putting the 1 under the decimal and filling in the zeros to know if we say tens, hundreds, or thousands with decimals. Okay, but they're asking for a whole number place value. So let's say the number again, 36,282 and 563 thousandths. Okay, looking at that 6, I've got my hundreds right here, so this would be my thousandths, and it would be my thousands place. Thank you. I don't even know where that came from, but thank you for being here. Thank you for watching my videos. Okay, looking at my next number, 3,789 and 632 thousandths. All right, I'm going to write this number down. Okay, so if you need scratch paper, get scratch paper and write it down. Make sure I've got that right. All right, so I wrote my number down. You want to focus it for me? All right, so I wrote it down. And I'm going to use my trick. So remember I said to put a 1 under the decimal, fill in the zeros. All right, so the first name of this is 632, just the decimal. Or we could say the whole first name, 3,789 and 632. That 2's over the 1,000, so thousandths. All right, my 6 is in my tenths place because it's over top the 10. My 3 he's over the 100, so he's a hundredths. So it's 300ths is what goes here. So we're going to say 100. Oops. Okay. There we go. Easy peasy, right? Let's look at number 4. We'll do 5. 87,152,632. So let's look at that again. 87,152,632. So they're looking for this place value right here. I've got my hundreds, my thousands. So this is in the millions place value. This would be 1 million. This would be 10 million. Okay. All right. Last one we're going to do together. I'm going to write this number down. 36,159 and 742. 2. When you have the ones that you, and you can write them all out, but especially the ones that you're using decimals or finding out the decimal place value, write them down because that's going to help you use the trick to figure out what the answer is. All right. So they are wanting to know what that 7 is. Okay. So I'm going to put my 1 under the decimal because that's my trick. Fill in with the zeros. Okay. All right. So let's say the first name. 36,159 and 742 thousandths. Okay. So we said our first and last name. Looking at the 7, what zero is it over top of? 10. So the 7 is in the tenths spot. Oh, okay. All right. So that is in the tenths spot. All right. So we can now, I can show you what to do next. So after you have filled in all 15, okay, you're going to look at that and it says, okay, so number 1, so I've got right here, number 1 is a million place value. So come over here, find millions, and you're going to write an I in here, okay, or type. And number 2, thousands. So look over here on your chart and you've got thousands right here. So you're going to put an M. Are you okay? Number 3, hundredths. So find hundredths and we're going to put F. Okay? You guys understand? We'll do one. Well, we can do both the other ones. Number 4 is 10 million. So 10 millions is going to be A. And then number 5 is tenths. So that's going to be L. Okay? All right. If you have any questions, let me know. But if not, have fun. Bye.